In your science notes today, you're going to turn to the table of contents, write Biosphere, page 21. Then you're going to turn to page 21. Make sure you label it 21 wherever you're putting your numbers, wherever you're putting your page numbers. And then also write Biosphere at the top of the page. So you are going to draw this in your notebook. This is the components of a biosphere. You need to draw the largest triangle you possibly can from the top of your page to the bottom of your page. And you need to divide that triangle into 5 sections. In the top section, you're going to put one little fishy and call it an organism. Out to the side, label that as one living thing. An organism is one living thing. In the second little section of your triangle, moving down, you'll draw a bunch of little fishies and label that as population. Out to the side, a population is all of a species in the same area. So this is all the little fishies in the area. Like, let's say catfish, for example. This would be all the catfish would be a population. In the next little section, you want to draw different fish. So you have some big fish and some little fish, because this is a community. You can also do some seaweed in your picture, because seaweed would be another living thing in this ecosystem. So now we have big fish and little fish. Let's say we have sharks and catfish, plus we have seaweed. That makes a community. All populations in a place make a community. For the ecosystem, it's kind of hard to see in this picture because it's black and white. We still have our big fish and our little fish. We still have our seaweed. There is some dirt here at the bottom. You can definitely use crayons and color that a specific color. You can also draw a rock. Okay, don't draw coral. Coral's actually a living thing, but draw a rock, because an ecosystem is the abiotic and biotic elements in a place. So that's the living and the non-living things. If you drew coral, that would just be more living things, but you want to draw some non-living things or some abiotic things. So the biotic things that we have in this ecosystem are the seaweed and our sharks and our catfish. The abiotic things that we have in this ecosystem are the sand, the rock, and the water. And then finally, a biosphere is all ecosystems. You're going to write that out to the side, label it biosphere, and this is a bad drawing because it's in black and white, but this is like a hill. We have a mountain here. We have ocean in between them. I'm trying to color them. And then this could be like grassland, so I would color this part green. Alright, these are different ecosystems all together make up the biosphere. So you are going to copy this down into your notes. You will probably need to pause the video so that you can copy it all down. And then watch the next video. It's a Khan Academy video that I gave you the link to, because it will help you understand this a little bit better.